So here we have the Volkswagen Polo on a 20 plate. I'm going to start off by hopping inside the car and running through some controls first of all. Just briefly before we climb in the car, I think it's well worth seeing the boot space. As you can see, we've got a 60/40 split folding rear seat and then plenty of boot space which can be increased by lifting up this tray. You'll also see we have a space saver spare wheel as well. Okay, now that we're inside the car, we're going to start with the dials. Over on the left-hand side, we have the rev counter and coolant temperature gauge. On the right-hand side, the speedometer and fuel gauge. In the middle, you can see the total miles of the car. They are 3,072. Above that, you have a digital readout for the speedometer. You can change the information that's displayed there by using buttons on the steering wheel for various bits of trip computer and fuel economy information. There are other menus available to you as well, and you can see me cycling through those now. And the buttons that I was using to do that are just over here. On the left-hand side, we have stereo controls, and then the stereo itself is over in the center, just here. We're on the radio menu at the moment. You can see already that we've got DAB radio, but we've also got FM and AM. If you want to listen to your own music, press the media button. And then down in the bottom left-hand corner, there's plenty of ways of listening to your music, and they include Bluetooth audio. So you can listen to your music wirelessly via your phone or Bluetooth device once you've paired it to the car, which is done by hitting that button and following the instructions on screen from there. Working our way down, we have the air conditioning. So you can adjust the temperature, the fan speed, and the direction the air is being distributed in. When you're happy with those settings, that's your air conditioning on. Same button to turn it off again. You can recirculate the air that's in the car. That's a great way of heating it up or cooling it down quickly, depending on the temperature you set over here, of course. And with a heated rear screen as well. Plenty of storage, along with the 2 USB inputs, a 5-speed manual gearbox. And this button just here will turn off the stop and start. This car is designed to cut out when it's stationary in traffic to save you fuel. The system is turned off when that light shows. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see this ULEZ compliant car for yourself and have a test drive, please feel free to call either of our MJA sites. We'd love to hear from you soon.